Do you want to make money on YouTube? From 0 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers? Then this is channel for you. My name is Teacher Woshi. I'm going to share practical tips on how to make good money on YouTube. Do you want to make money on YouTube? I'm going to share with you tips on how you can create a YouTube channel from scratch and make good money and become successful. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. People are making money on YouTube. Don't be left behind. This is the time. Start now. Start now. And you are going to reap good. How can you start a successful YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, Teacher Woshi, and I'll be sharing with you great tips. Number 1, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Number 2, what is your target audience? Number 3, what are you passionate about? Tell me something you love. Tell me something you are passionate about. You love doing. Do you love swimming? Do you love watching movies? Are you a fan of football? Do you love singing? Do you love things to do with tech? What do you love? Do you love food? I think everyone loves food. There is something you love so much. Personally, I love things to do with tech. That's why I'm creating this video for you. Imagine you can turn that something which you are passionate about, you can turn it into making money on YouTube. Whatever you are passionate about, you can turn it into making money on YouTube. And you just need to start today, not tomorrow. You just need to start today. Start now. You don't need to have expensive gadget equipment like camera. You want to buy a new phone. You want to buy a new laptop. You don't need that. What you need, stay tuned. I'm going to share all those. At the end of this video, you must be a successful YouTuber. And at the end of this video, you must start earning good money on YouTube. Stay tuned. My name is Teacher Woshi. You need to have a good, attracting niche. When you are starting a YouTube channel, you need to have a niche. Some of the niche include technology, finance, gaming, news, health and fitness, travel, vlogging, and many more. You need to have a niche. YouTube works on a niche. If you have a good niche, you are going to reap big. You are going to become rich. You are going to make money on YouTube. Firstly, you need to identify what is your best niche. Select your best niche. After selecting your best niche, now it is time to make a channel. How do you make a channel? You need a Gmail account or a Google account. If you have one, you are set. If you don't have one, then you create an email. After creating an email, then you start immediately creating a YouTube channel. And when you are creating a YouTube channel, you'll need a channel name, you'll need a profile picture, and you'll need to describe your channel. 3 things: the name of the channel, the profile picture, and some description about your channel. This is how you create a channel. After creating a channel, then you are ready to go. You can upload your first video on YouTube and start making money. This is how to upload a video on YouTube. Another thing, don't forget to do this. We have something called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. If you want your video to go viral, to gain more views, if you want to get more subscribers, if you want your video to go viral, then you have to do SEO. You need to use search engine optimization. You need to optimize your video. How do you do it? By using the correct keywords, by using the correct tags. And this is how you do it. This is very important. The thumbnail. You need to create an eye-catching thumbnail. To have an attracting, eye-catching thumbnail. You can create thumbnail using AI tools such as Canvas. You can use Canvas to create your good thumbnail. Ensure your thumbnail is eye-catching and is going to turn your subscribe from 0 to boom. So you need to have a good thumbnail. If you want more views, if you want more subscribers, then you need to have a good thumbnail. Don't forget that. This is how you upload a thumbnail on YouTube. Consistency, that's another tip. You need to be consistent. You can decide to be posting daily if you can. You can decide to be posting 2 videos a week. You can decide to be posting 3 videos a week or 1 video a week, but consistency matters. YouTube works on algorithm. Consistency matters. You're going to start with 0 subscribers, with 0 views, but through consistency, through posting, just post, create good videos, post, create good videos, post. You're going to attract, you're going to gain more subscribers, and you're going to make money on YouTube. But remember, for you to qualify to start earning on YouTube, you need to have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. If you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, then you are ready to go. You start reaping your hard labor. Start today, and I'm assuring you, you are going to make money on YouTube. Start today, and thank me later. I want to share the tips you need to observe. Number 1, create good thumbnail. Number 2, create good content. Number 3, you need to have a niche. Number 4, consistency matters. If you observe those, then you're going to make a good living on YouTube. And you're going to make YouTube your main hustle and not a side hustle anymore. Many people are making a lot of money on YouTube, and for you, you can make. Don't give up. Start today. Start now, and you're going to make good money on YouTube. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly search on YouTube, Teacher Woshi, subscribe, and I'll be creating good content that is going to benefit you a lot.